Hi, it's Jen. Hope you're having a good day. I just want to talk briefly about how to meditate. So, I teach people how to meditate in a way that gets you where you want to be, which is a neutral, 0 point point of creation, all hooked up. Your electromagnetic field being kind of rewired and re-hooked up as you bring more light, open up the pathways, um, physically releasing the tension, opening up so that your body can re-energize itself, the life force can flow freely, and the blocks that you have, that you think in your mind you have blocks to money and blocks to love, or maybe there's blocks to your health in certain parts of the body. Maybe you have a problem with your liver or your bladder, or you have a disease, or it really doesn't matter what it is. All of this is locked as information within our electromagnetic fields, through repetitive thinking, beliefs, thoughts, feelings, emotions that are trapped. And basically you can heal yourself from all of this, however it manifests in your life, by learning to restore the immune function in your own system by unlocking these pathways. And you can do it yourself, and it's very beautiful. And it's from years of studying personal development, energy healing, meditation, etc., and personal practice and spiritual practice, and working as a therapist and being trained in energy, psychology, medicine. So there's just everything that I have learned has helped me to get to the place with my own meditation practice that it combines a lot of these different fields, because I've realized how powerful it is when you change and restore your energetic field to an optimum, vibration, clear of a lot of the density of the negative thoughts, feelings, emotions, past traumatic memories and all the rest of it. And you don't need to think your way out of this, which is not psychoanalysis. You can go round and round for years and years telling the same stories, but you need to release the dense energy really from your system, transform whatever is the blockage, the place where there's trapped energy in a lower vibrational frequency, something that's causing you pain and suffering mentally. Then you can learn how to do this yourself, how to unhook from all of this and disease and all the rest of it, because it's all essentially energy. So I want you to meditate. Maybe just give yourself 5 minutes, however long you think, okay, I can do it for this long. Just breathe, and I want you to just, as if going into your body, you're literally just scanning, just like a very gentle internal scan of, oh, I feel this here, I feel that there. Wherever you feel like it feels like pain, or it feels like tension, it's like unclamping the stomach. Often you want to just be releasing, just noticing, a lot of noticing, awareness, releasing, as you use the breath to just gently go into those places. So you're not doing it in a control forced way, you're also working with the breath. So just really letting go and allowing your breath to be the guide, because your guide is your spirit, and you want to trust enough, or learn to trust enough, that you can let go and let that be your guide, if you will, and that being in your life, also being in your meditation. So we're starting with the meditation, because this will impact your whole life in a very positive way. So you're just going to be, as much as you can, following where the breath wants to go, following it, as if you're kind of riding on its back, or like on a wave, like a surfer, and just allowing it to be your guide. And at the same time, you're also kind of directing it, because you're noticing where you're feeling the tension and the energy. So you have this symbiotic relationship really with your spirit, and you are really guiding the consciousness. You're working with consciousness here. And the more you allow your spirit to just flow, and to flow with it, and gently relax and open up all those locks and knots and negative spirals and loops and patterns and thoughts and everything else, the more you can just trust that you can follow the breath, and there's nothing else you need to do but just follow it, and you're gently guiding it in the sense that you're noticing everything in your body, all the pains and the tensions, and allowing the breath to gently release into that place. And you'll find that the more you do this, the more light, like you can actually see it sometimes, like you can really see it, you can feel it, that you're being cleaned from the inside. Sorry, the noises, I have kittens and cats over there finding the biscuits. So yes, I hope that's helpful, and you can check out my other videos for more content, and have a lovely day. Bye.